I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 48. Which of the following institutions is concerned with expanding developing countries' commodity trade? A. World Trade Organization (WTO). B. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development (UNCTAD). C. Economic Commission of Africa (ECA). D. African Development Bank (AFB). So we are looking at which of these institutions is concerned with expanding developing countries' commodities trade. Now, the WTO, or World Trade Organization, is concerned with regulation of international trade. Now, the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development is concerned with improvement of the economy of developing countries. So it's concerned with developing countries, the economy of developing countries. Now, for the ECA, Economic Community of Africa, it is a platform for experts, a platform for African experts. So a platform for experts in Africa to devise means of achieving economic development. And then for the AFB, or African Development Bank, is basically concerned with improving living conditions. So from the definitions or the goals of the organizations we have listed, we see that UNCTAD is concerned with improving the economy of developing countries, and the question asks which is concerned in expanding developing countries' commodity trade. So the option B, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, is the correct answer, because that is the organization established by the United Nations to work on improvement of the economy of developing countries. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.